Hello future millionaires! So my goal with this video is to help you make your first $100,000 online. In order to do this, you need an income stream that's going to make you $274 per day. And this is way more in reach than you might think. Now, in order to do this, you need to find the right online business model for you, and that is what this video is going to help you do. For this video, I've compiled the 5 best online business models to start this year, and I'm going to be giving you everything you need to start and be successful, so there's no reason why you can't start. Now, if you don't already know me, my name is Ia, and I've grown multiple 7- and 8-figure businesses online, making over $1 million in the first year of each of these businesses. I've sold shapewear, I've sold supplements, I've sold gift boxes, I've sold hair care, and I've also had a thriving marketing agency. I run the largest women's business conference in New Zealand every year, and I've used the same strategies to grow all of these businesses, all of which I teach in my business masterclass training and my mentorship program. So I became a millionaire at age 22, just 1 year after I started, and I started this journey completely on the side as a little side hustle. So I have a huge passion for documenting my journey and inspiring other people to do the same on my social media channels. Now, because I have been able to master a few of these online skills, I've actually been able to build my dream home, drive my dream car, support my family very easily, and living however I want, traveling when I want, because I truly have the time and financial freedom in order to do so. We are entering a new era, and the way people are making money online is changing so fast. If I lost everything today, no followers, no audience, no income, these business models are exactly what I would do to start over right now. And the best part is you can literally copy me and do this too. Now make sure you guys are watching all the way to the end of this video, because I'm going to be talking about the one skill that makes everything else works well, and it is the one thing that people skip a lot of the time. And I'm just going to show you how to get started, but to actually be successful in this game, I have a detailed step-by-step training and mentorship program where I work with aspiring business owners to help them every single step of the way. And my YouTube channel is going to be your #1 source for 100% free education. So as you go through this video, you're going to notice that the business models that I talk about are going to have a link to the in-depth training that you could follow further. So many people have started these business models after watching my content and trying things themselves and are getting crazy results. So Ella, who is a New Zealand-based teacher, she last year made over $300,000 extra from her little side hustle selling kids' educational products online. So Kayla here, she is another student of mine. She made over $8 million from her skincare brand, Tribe Skincare. So ordinary people are doing this every single day. And if they can do it, why can't you? So here are some business models that I want to first go over that I do not recommend to you. So these are super popular online, but they're either too oversaturated, too complex, or too risky for anybody just getting started. And they often won't work unless you've already built the skills, the networks, or have a giant investment spend up front. Now let me show you the 5 business models that I do recommend. You could start these from your phone with $0 from anywhere in the world, even if you've never made money online before. So these are the 5 business models that I've built my highest earning businesses on, and every single one of them can easily hit 10K, 50K, 100K months if you follow the right steps. Now most people miss the one thing that makes all of these businesses successful, which I'm going to cover at the end of this video. Now the first business model on this list is digital products, and it is one of my absolute favorites, and here is why. So you create it once, and then you can sell it unlimited times over and over and over for the next 5 to 10 years. It is not just a product, it is really an asset. It's something that's going to generate income for you while you sleep, while you're at school pickup, while you are living your life, and with the right funnels and marketing in place, people are scaling these to 6 figures in less than a year. Now I've made over $3 million from digital products now, and will be able to keep selling these digital products for years to come. So if you are a mum who's figured out how to meal plan for a family of 5 on a tight budget, that could be an ebook. Could be a PDF guide, a printable planner. Are you a real estate agent who is consistently outselling everyone in your office? Well, if so, you could be packaging that into a course or a training guide or some sort of consulting offer and selling it to other agents who want the same results. You could be a personal trainer, a teacher, a life coach. So whatever you know, whatever you have lived, there is a digital product in it. Whether it's ebooks, PDF guides, printable templates, planners, recipes, courses, tutorials, consulting, the options really are endless here. Not to mention these days you can actually create digital products in minutes using AI systems like Trend Assist AI and also Canva. So this is all included in my business masterclass training, which is linked down below. You can start selling digital products with 0 to low investment, and you can scale them to make you millions pretty quickly. You own this 100%. It's also very beginner friendly. Now the #2 business model that I recommend recommend is an online product business. This is something I've done for 10 years. So people that are brand new to online businesses have found a lot of success in starting these. So essentially, you source products online at a low price and you resell the products at a higher price to make a profit. So the first product I did this with was shapewear. So I used to buy them for $17, put my logo on them, and then sell them for $79 each. I made $3.5 million in my first year doing this. And then I sold protein powder. So I would get it made for $20 a tub and sell each one for $79. I started a gift box business out of my home kitchen too, putting candy and donuts in gift boxes, making $30 to $40 per gift box, and that business now makes over $10 million a year. I also used to sell these hair tools. I would buy them for $27 each and sell them for $129 each. And I sold over 100,000 units of these hair tools. So there are so many tools out there that can help you find products to sell on Alibaba, sample the products, order the products to sell on your website, then use a 3PL, which is a shipping warehouse to ship those products directly to the buyer so that you don't have to do that and all you have to do is set up an online store and just focus on selling. You really just are the middleman in all of this and you're thinking smarter and not harder. Not to mention there are literally AI tools out there right now that can build your online store for you 100% free. So for online stores, the startup cost is usually between $2,000 and $5,000 and most of that goes towards the cost of the products that you want to sell. So here are some of what my students have sold. Raz here, she is a New Zealand-based mom. She sold these playmats for kids and made $100,000 in the first 5 months. Or Pippa here, she created a journal called the Glow & Co journal and she made $10,000 in the first 30 days. And these are my students, Sugar Coated. They are based in Australia and they sell 200 to 400 gift boxes every single week. She started when she was only 19 years old, which is definitely not bad for a side hustle. So you could make your first dollar very, very fast. It is completely scalable. I know a lot of people that have started from home, in their bedroom, in their garage, scaled this all the way up and sold their businesses for millions of dollars after only a few years. And this business model is also very beginner friendly as well. It's how I got started. Now, number 3 on this list is freelancing, and this is one of the fastest ways to make money online, especially if you are starting out and have $0. So freelancing is simply getting paid for a skill you already have. The skill could be writing, graphic design, could be social media management, bookkeeping, photography, web design, video editing, copywriting. If you've got the skill, somebody will pay you for it. So what I love about this model is you don't even need a product, you don't need inventory, you don't need a big following, you just need one skill and one client. So a few years ago, I had a couple of businesses messaging me for marketing advice, asking if I could help them manage their social media. So they all kept asking me the same things, which number 1 led me to create my business masterclass training, which is a digital product. But number 2, I said, I'll just do it for you. So I began charging each business $1,000 a month to manage their social media. And within 2 years, I had 18 staff members and we were doing the marketing for 90 businesses every single month, charging them up to $5,000 a month just to manage their social media for them. So I actually made a marketing agency by accident and it all started by freelancing. So think about it, if you're already doing something in your job or your daily life that other people struggle with, that is a freelance business opportunity waiting to happen. The mum who's incredible at organizing, maybe you can clean and organize people's homes. The one everyone asks to fix their website, maybe you could be a web designer. The one who's creative and loves to make things, you could do parties and wedding setups. You can literally start with $0, just reach out to people in your network or post on Instagram of what you offer, and your first client could come this week. Now, this is the honest trade-off. Freelancing trades time for money, so it's actually not fully passive, but it is the fastest path to cash flow. And once you've got some clients, you can start packaging your services into retainers, raise your rates, or eventually hire other people to help you deliver the work while you focus on the growth of this business. So people are making anywhere from a few $100s a month on the side, all the way to 6 figures, 7 figures a year, fully remote, fully flexible, fully on their own terms doing this. So the next business model is affiliate marketing, and it is one of those business models that works best as an extension of whatever you're already doing. And that's exactly how I want you to think about it. So here is how it works. You recommend a product or a brand, somebody buys through your unique link, you get paid a commission, and that's it. That's affiliate marketing. So think about the brands you already use and already love. Maybe you are a fitness mom promoting her favorite supplement, or maybe you are a foodie promoting kitchen products, a business coach promoting the tools and software her client already needs. So you could just share what you already believe in. Now, the one thing here is you don't own the offer. So brands can change their commission structures, they can pause their programs, they can even pull their products. So this is why I always say treat this as a bonus income stream and not your entire business. I would always recommend building something of your own first. list. Now, business model number 5 is the one skill I would tell every single person to learn right now, which is content creation, because it supercharges every other business model on this list. So whether you are talking about cooking or your pet or your business journey or something you are super passionate about, you can start with $0 and begin monetizing your knowledge straight away. You can do this across Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. Now, most people don't realize you're not just earning from the business models we've already talked about, but you're also unlocking the ability to promote your own business to a massive audience completely for free without spending a cent on ads. Now, I know some of you guys are thinking, I'm not a content creator, I wouldn't even know where to start, or I just don't think that's for me. And look, I get it, it's not a non-negotiable. You can absolutely build an online business without doing this, but I will be honest with you, having a social media presence is great. Content creation has given me this direct line to my customers, my community, and my next sale for free. So if you want to scale faster, create more opportunities, get your content working for you. It doesn't have to be perfect or polished. So out of all of these, which one should you pick? Myself and my team are going to personally help you do this. We're going to help you clarify your needs, help you pick the right monetization and online business model for you. We're going to help you fully get set up and optimize your social media platforms. And while we're doing all of this for you, you are also going to be learning and mastering these skills. So you're going to get a step-by-step system to start making money online, something that's going to last you over the next 10 years. So if you're finally ready to start, you can click the link down in the description below and book a free call with my team to go over your options. This system has completely changed my life. I am living proof of it, that it works. And if you are serious about building income online and having true freedom in your life, I'm gonna see you inside. And my goal is to give you guys the support that you need to succeed. So as you know, my YouTube channel is my #1 source of 100% free education. I hope you guys continue to learn lots from my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye.